A new report from cybersecurity experts ESET has uncovered the existence of a dangerous bootkit that is capable of bypassing cybersecurity solutions and installing all sorts of malware on a vulnerable endpoint. Identified as Black Lotus, the bootkit is being sold on the dark web for around $5,000 and is able to bypass even fully updated Windows 11 devices, with UEFI Secure Boot enabled. Stringently exploiting CVE 2022-21894, a known vulnerability that Microsoft patched more than a year ago, Black Lotus can deploy a downloader which can then install other malicious payloads, while disabling any antivirus including Windows Defender. To make things worse, the researchers have even spotted that the installer spares devices located in Armenia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Moldova, Russia, and Ukraine. ESET researcher Martin Smolar said, "We can now present evidence that the bootkit is real, and the advertisement is not merely a scam. The low number of Black Lotus samples we have been able to obtain, both from public sources and our telemetry, leads us to believe that not many threat actors have started using it yet. We are concerned that things will change rapidly should this bootkit get into the hands of crimeware groups, based on the bootkit's easy deployment and crimeware groups' capabilities for spreading malware using their botnets. The immense power that the UEFI Bootkit has makes it extremely potent. A threat actor that successfully deploys it can control the entire OS boot process, operating on the target endpoint stealthily, and with the highest set of privileges." Unfortunately, ESET concluded, a handful of UEFI bootkits have already been spotted in the wild. Their best advice is to keep your system and its security product up to date to minimize the chances of a threat gaining pre-OS persistence. Besides this, you should also consider investing in a firewall in order to protect your devices. Finally, make sure you are subscribed to the Tech Radar Pro newsletter to receive the latest news, opinions, features, and guidance that your business needs to succeed in the security world.